Alright guys, we're starting a new round. And I don't know what the heck is this round, but we're starting a new round, you guys. So let's see what we got here. Alright. So it looks like a house or something, I could tell. Let's see. Yep, it's a house. Alright. So yeah, we're in a house, you guys, right now. And yeah, how did people get on the roof? Like, that's so crazy. Wait, I think I know how to get on the roof. Like, I think you just like do this. Uh-oh, the storm started. Uh-oh. Oh shoot. Yo, what is he gonna do? Oh my gosh. 8th grade, staying indoors. What if I go outdoors? What if I go outdoors? Oh, that's not good. Nothing's happening, you guys. What the heck? What the heck? Nothing happened. Yo. Oh, I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying. Oh no. Do we just stay back here? What the heck? Bro, why is people just like going over there? Oh, there's a big block. What the heck? Alright. Okay, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I might as well stay right here. Alright. What will happen, you guys? What the heck? Alright. I think the steps is gonna fall too. Oh, I think it is. I don't think y'all should go over there because something's really happening in that area. Like, you get killed, like, in this area, like, that area right there. You get killed. Oh no, I'm trying to survive. I don't think I survived. This is bad. Oh my gosh. Alright, I don't think I'm gonna survive, you guys. What if I don't survive? Oh no, what am I gonna do? There's so many people, I'm squished. Oh! All of us survived! Look, I survived too! The heck? Guys, I just survived. Look at this. This is crazy. Alright. So, let's see. Oh, so you get like, what is this? Let me just click on it. The rainbow ride again. I just tried that right now. Alright. So, yeah, so this game is actually pretty fun. Let's see who actually gets on it, like, first. Alright, let's try to get in. Let's try to get in. Get in! Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Oh, I got in. The heck, I just got in, you guys. Alright, so I just got in. This girl's gonna fall. Yep, she just fell. Oh, she just got it. Alright. Y'all better be safe down there, because I don't know if I could be safe. Like, this is gonna be, like, so crazy. Alright. Oh, we got some chats. Let's see. Oh. Okay. So, uh-oh. Thunderstorm. Oh! Oh! Yo, what is he gonna do? It's a thunderstorm. Oh! Oh! Gosh. Yo! Yo, what the heck do I do? I'm gonna get smacked. Yo! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What do I do, guys? Oh! Oh! Oh, what do I do? Guys, what do I do? This freaking, like, thing's falling down. Oh my gosh. I don't think we're gonna survive. Oh no. Listen to this. No, don't go down. Go back up. I don't want to go down. I don't want to go down. I don't want to go down. Are y'all safe back there? What the heck? Oh my gosh, you guys. What the heck? Yo, more things are falling down. Yo, where's the people? Oh, some survived. Yo, what do I do? Oh, what was that? What's that orange thing? What is that orange thing? Okay, good, it's gone. It's gone, it's gone! It's gone! It's gone! Oh! I survived! You guys, I survived! Like this, is this a close call? Okay, okay, guys, I survived! Alright. What is the Sunny Ranch? I don't know what this. Oh, we're just gonna go ahead and check. Oh, what is this? I've seen this before. Yeah, I've seen this before. This is alright. What is this? The fire thing? Can we just like go in? Uh-oh, storm starting. What kind of freaking storm is this? What kind of freaking storm is this, you guys? Yo, what? Oh, what is this? It didn't show what storm is, so I'm guessing it's a sandstorm, because it looks like a sandstorm. Yo, I can't see! Oh, this is a dog's flying objects. It's actually flying! Guys, the objects are actually flying! Look at it! Oh my gosh! Oh no, not that! This flying objects and I died! Yo, what the heck? Alright. Yo, where's the, can I see, like, the object flying? Where is it? Let me see the objects. Okay, I don't think you can see it. What is this? Let's see. Oh! Weather machine. This is the weather machine. Power it up to increase the number of, can I actually power it up? Yeah, you can power this up. Pretty cool. But I'm not gonna actually do that. Just powering this up. But, oh, flipping again. Alright. So, what's actually happening? I think everybody died here. Yeah, I think everybody. Oh, these are the survivals. Oh, survivors. Oh. Alright. So I think this is like the old Roblox logo, game, but yes. So radio. Alright. What is this? No, I just died. I'm gonna miss it. No. Please don't start. Please don't start. No, it already started. No, it already started. No, I shouldn't have died. Oh, there's somebody here. Should have died, you guys. Why did I die, you guys? Alright, so I just gotta wait for the next round. Because I shouldn't have died. Like, that was like a bad, like, idea. I don't even know why I freaking died, which is, oh! This is a blizzard. Seek warmth and shelter. Alright. Yeah, this is like a blizzard. This. Oh, you can't even see it. Look, you can't even see it, you guys. Look, you barely can see it. All like snow. Yeah, I think all of this is snow. So yeah, one die, as you guys can see. Yeah, so what the heck? Why does this guy has no arms? I'm just like wondering why. Yeah, I'm just wondering why. This guy. Oh, is anybody down there? I feel like I seen somebody down there. I must not be down. Bro, this storm is actually heavy. I'm not. This storm is heavy, I could say. So, look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh. Alright. Okay, so what is alright. So here is the freaking survivals. So it says fair, whatever that says, and who's Cashy? What the heck? Alright. So, yo, what just happened? So I just heard somebody die. What the heck? Oh, we got a lot of people. That's cool. Alright. What is the launch land? I don't know what this is. the launch lane or something. Alright, oh! I think it's the same thing. It's the same thing, you guys. What the heck? It's the same thing. Wait, how did I just die? What the heck? Alright. So I just gotta try to make my way in. Oh no, the storm? What is that? What is that noise? Oh, it's this thing. Okay. Alright, so we're going on board right here. Let's see what's here. What's actually here? What is this? Alright. Oh, deadly virus. Avoid crows. What the heck? I just heard somebody cough. Did y'all hear that? What the heck? Yo, somebody sneezed. What the heck? Alright. So I'm just gonna try to go down. See what's like. Yo, who keeps sneezing? Where's the crows? I don't see no crows. There's no crows. What the heck? Alright guys, there is no crows. What the heck? So did they just make this up? There's no crows. What the heck? What if I go out here? Oh, what is that flying thing right there? What is that flying thing right there? Oh my gosh. Okay. Is this the crows? What is this? Yo, what is that? I think it's the dying things that make you die. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm not staying in that place. Oh no! Oh, shoot. What do I do? Oh, I survived and then died. What the heck? Oh, I survived, you guys. Let's go. I survived. Yay. Gaming with Kamara. I just survived right now. So, yeah. So, is people still there? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't know what the heck that was. Yo, it's the same thing again. What the heck? Alright. Let's go back. Since it's the same thing. This might be a different storm. I'm pretty sure. Yo, y'all have to wait. Wait. Be patient. Alright, I got one in here. The arm guy that doesn't have no arms, so he's in here. Yep, looks like the storm's about to happen. Hey, arm guy who doesn't have their arms, Fedmat. What do you think about this? Like, this is crazy. Oh, it's the blizzard! Yay, let's go with the blizzard. Yeah, alright. Alright, so we got some people behind us. Uh-oh. What the heck? Is somebody behind us? Oh, shoot, something fell. Is people still in the ride? Like, we're literally gonna fall, you guys. Alright. Uh-oh. No! I freaking died. What the heck? Hey, I'm in this guy. Alright. Yo, I just freaking followed you guys. What the heck? Alright. So, yeah, this is my first time being in the blizzard. Actually. Let's, put, like... Actually... Oh, you can power it up. Pretty cool. Power up, but you need some Robux. You need 100 Robux. Which it does not cost too much, but yeah, you just need some Robux. So, yeah. Alright. So let's see what's actually happening. Let's see, these are the survivors who survived. Oh, we got a lot. We got 1, 2, 3, 4.